Hello foodies, welcome to Rishika recipes. Today's special tomato chutney, which is good combination with breakfasts. Take 250 grams of ripened tomatoes, clean them and cut into 4 pieces and place them in a fry pan. Take 3 green chillies, cut them into 2 parts and add to tomatoes. Take 1 inch ginger, it will be approximately 15 grams. Cut and add to tomatoes. No need to make small pieces as we will blend them after. Add 3 tablespoons of oil and cook it on a medium flame till tomatoes soften. Mix occasionally to avoid overcooking on the bottom. When tomatoes soften, switch off the stove and let it cool down. When it cools down, place it in a blender. Add 6 garlic cloves, 1 teaspoon of tamarind, add salt to taste. For a good digestion, we will add half teaspoon of jeera. Now without adding water, blend it into a paste. Now our tomato chutney is ready. We can sprinkle chopped coriander and serve.